Hello, and today I'm going to show you the second part of the More Blocks tutorial series. So right now I have a game that or a speech conversation that I made, and right now this is the code, and I'm just gonna run it. So, and then if you click, it goes next, and it's, I guess, decent, but the code is really complicated, and when this gets more complicated and better, this will get these stuff will get really laggy, and it will be much harder to know stuff. So now I'm going to use more blocks to make it much more efficient, faster, and much cleaner in total. So now if I just finish this isn't done, but so that's all I made. So right now you can see that it's not really good. So in our speech there's a lot of costumes saying everything, and so now I'm going to make it a little more efficient. So first, of course, we're going to make a my blocks and write say costume and broadcast oops number. So why I made it like this is because this is how it works right now. When I receive this, then it goes here. It shows switch costumes to a costume, goes to the front, and it waits until the mouse is down, and it broadcasts the next speech, which is 2, and here there's when I receive 2, does this, and broadcast 3, which is here, and so on. So now what I'm going to do is just copy this and switch costume to costume, because that's what we want, and broadcast number. So here, if we take this out, can do not say costume it was 1 and broadcast 2, and this, and then we don't need this, so let's put it aside, and here we can do the same thing. Costume, what? So not say costume. So costume 2, broadcast 4. I don't know, broadcast. Oh wait. Yeah, broadcast 4 because this is the third one. And yeah. So if we try it again, this is, that one is this, and that's not. So this is it. So now if we try again, see that lights up, that means it's running well. So what we're gonna do now is, so that works pretty well, and so I'm gonna just make a few more. So costume 3, broadcast 6, and hide. Oh wait, no. Here. Oh yeah, you have to change this to all to the number or it doesn't work. So now if we try, so that lights up and then it lights up again. And oh wait, I forgot to put the wait 1 seconds. So we're going to wait 1 here. And yeah, so that's a really good way of using them for speech and other things that are similar. And that was a short tutorial on how suggestion and how to use more blocks. So I'm going to make more suggestions on how you can use them and explain how and when you can use them and use these. So yeah, this is part 2 of the more block tutorial, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.